Rahim. Well, Professor Bhavani, dear friend, a colleague, an academic, a scholar, speaker, whatnot, and Sheikh Nizamuddin Sahab, Institute of Objective Studies actually expresses gratitude to all of you who are involved in this small effort. We are concerned about everything that connects with the marginalized sections of humanity. This COVID-19 has really played a havoc with the lifestyle of all kinds of people all over the world. And that is why it has become a major concern of everybody. I'm very thankful to Professor Vani, who has given a very elaborate kind of explanation of various factors, reasons, concerns, explanations, etc. about the COVID-19, its implications, its consequences, and so on. I was just thinking to have got something, has any favorable thing happened about COVID-19? And I think I have noted 1-2 points, and I would like to share them with you. The first point is that the administrative systems and governing systems are put to test, which is generally not done in normal days, because the mechanisms supporting these systems do not allow everybody to consider and to look into the real working of various kinds of systems of common concern, like health services, like transport services, like so many things. All aspects of human life are affected by this, and systems are really put to test, and report is highly objectionable. This may create a new kind of awareness among the citizenry to look into the systems afresh and to see what can be done in what respect and when. Number 2 point I would like to mention is that there is a surge towards internationalization. Internationalism has come to stay, and perhaps that may give a jolt to narrow right-wing nationalism endeavors wherever these are being practiced. Because now everybody in every corner is thinking about anybody who is suffering, whether he is within the national boundaries or he is outside. The third point I would like to mention is that the people have started realizing the importance of their rights. So there is a new wave of consciousness of rights, whether their living condition, whether their movement, where production units, where consumption units, all kinds of these things are being looked into, and a new kind of consciousness is emerging among the people that these systems are meant for us, and if these systems are not serving the people, then naturally these need to be reviewed drastically. And the last point I would like to make is that the new generation is involved in a big way in these endeavors. In previous years, perhaps new generation was not worried about all these things. So new lessons have come to them and they are responding to these new kinds of lessons. And I think this is also a major point which should really be looked into. Institute of Objective Studies actually commits to everything that concerns with the welfare of the society, welfare of marginalized sections, and so on. So this effort will inshallah continue, and we will be able to come forward with new kinds of ideas and new kinds of programs in future. Thank you very much.
Thank you.